Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Java JDK 25 on Windows operating systems. Either it may be 10, 11, okay. Then we will see how to set environment variables and compile and run sample Java program, okay. Then first go to Java official website, it is oracle.com, and download. Then click on products. See here we have the Java, click on it. Then click on download Java. See here the latest release is Java JDK 25. If you want to see the older versions, click on this Java archive, okay. So select JDK 25, then click on Windows. Then see here we have the installer files, archive and bin.exe or bin.msi, okay. So I am going to download this MSI installer. So click on this download link. See, download started, go to download. See here the size is 181 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install. See, download is completed. Now click on this JDK 25 Windows bin.esi file. Click on, see, this is the installation setup wizard. Click on next. See, this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on this change button and select the path where you want. I am okay with the default, so click on next. See, installation has been started. See, we have successfully installed. Click on close. Now we will set the Java environment variables. Go to File Explorer. Click on this PC. Right click. Then Properties. Then go to this Advanced System Settings. Then click on Environment Variables. Okay, this is the way to open the environment variable console. The other way is just press Start. Then search for NV. See here we have the edit system environment variables. Click on it. See, you got the same console. Now click on this environment variables. Then go to in system variables. Then go to path variable. Click on edit. Then here we have to provide Java installed directory. Then bin directory. Okay. Go to C drive, program files, Java. Then JDK 25 bin, copy this path, then go to here, click on new, paste that path, click on OK. Then we have to create Java home environment variable. Click on new, then give Java underscore home, then paste that path, give up to this JDK, don't give bin directory, then click on OK, click on OK. Now click on OK. Now open CMD, that is command prompt, hit enter, then type Java -- version. See, we have installed Java JDK 25.0.1. Okay, this is the build information. Now we will create a sample Java program. Go to C drive, create a new directory for Java programs. Go to this directory. Now create a file, new, then select text document, then provide the name of the Java program, Helloworld. See here, type is text document. Okay, so to make it as Java program, remove this text and give Java. Click on S. Are you sure want to change it? Click on S. See, file type change it to Java file. Okay. Now open this in any text editor. Notepad++, VS Code or any text editor. Then paste this sample program. I will keep this sample code in the video description. Then go to file and select save. Now go to CMD. See, this file is there in this directory. Okay. Then go to CMD. Paste that path. Just type CD. Just right click on the mouse. So you got the path. dir. See here we have the helloworld.java. Other way to open this file path is just to go to here, remove this one, just to type CMD. See, we are directly into that path. Okay. dir. See here we have the helloworld Java file. Now we have to compile it. Type javac is the compiler name. Then provide the program name helloworld.java. Hit enter. See, compilation is completed. Now dir. See, it has created helloworld class. Okay. Now we have to run this one. So just give java helloworld. Hit enter. See, whatever is there in this file. See, whatever it is going to print, that is printed here. Okay. Suppose if you add one more line, just copy it. Another line. Save the file. Then just give java helloworld. If you run this command, you won't get this second line output. See, we will get same this output. Hit enter. See, you got the same output. Okay. After modification of a Java file, every time we have to compile. Okay. So to get modifications, we have to compile again. So helloworld.java. Hit enter. Now run the same helloworld class. This time we will get the modified output. Okay, go to Java, then helloworld, hit enter. See, it has printed another line. Okay, this is the way. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and install Java JDK 25 on Windows operating systems. Then we have seen how to set the environment variables for Java JDK 25. Then we have compiled and executed a sample Java program. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.